Here's the UK and Ireland weather forecast for March the 17th to the 19th, 2013. That's Sunday to Tuesday this week. Looking back on Saturday, a lot of rain around, but temperatures weren't too bad, averaging around 5 or 6 degrees, with the highest at 9 or 10 towards the south of England. And the low temperatures further north into Scotland, in the Highlands of Scotland, were pretty low, -5 to -7 generally on the hills. And the next 3 days will see more rain, sleet and snow to come for some areas of the UK and Ireland. And something that we certainly won't see at this stage yet is an increase in temperature. Things will stay fairly chilly, with low pressure systems crawling over us at the moment over the next few days as well, bringing in more inclement weather. But first, let's look at Sunday. Two main areas here: the far southeast of England, along part of the south coast towards the Isle of Wight and perhaps beyond as well. We'll see heavy rain mixed in with some sunny intervals in some areas, and further north, north of England, far north of England, into Scotland and much of Ireland, we'll see a lot of rain, perhaps some sleet in some areas as well, and snow on the hills, with temperatures around 6 to 8 degrees across the British Isles on Sunday. And coming into Sunday night, the rain will be further east, all along the east coast of England and Scotland. We'll see some heavy rain, perhaps sleet and snow again in some areas, particularly on higher ground and around the border between England and Scotland. In particular, we'll probably see some sleet and some wintry showers. And temperatures will fall to around above freezing along the east coast, but towards the west is where it will be colder, falling to freezing, perhaps slightly below in some rural areas. And now looking at Monday, we'll have a bit of a snow event in store for Scotland, beginning as rain perhaps in the morning, but turning into snow throughout the day, particularly along the east coast of Scotland, and heavy snowfall may occur. And rain further south as well. Of course, much of England there will be rain, it mixed in with some sunny spells further south. The southwest will see the best of the weather, with temperatures around 6 to 9 in England and Ireland, and in Scotland staying cold around 2 degrees the high. Coming into Monday night, we'll see a bit of a continuation of wintry showers in Scotland, particularly in the east and particularly inland as well, where we'll see the highest likelihood of it accumulating, significantly anyway. And further south there'll be more towards rain, sleet and rain for the eastern coast of England, the northern part of the eastern coast of England that is, with temperatures falling to 1 or 2 degrees generally, except for in Scotland. In the north of Scotland, -1 to -4 will be the lowest temperature. And Tuesday, the snow continues in Scotland over there, heavy at times as well, with some sleet for the northeast of England and light showers of rain for many areas of the rest of England and in Ireland as well. The heaviest of the rain probably in Northern Ireland, with some sunny intervals for the south and the south of England and Wales as well, with high temperatures of 5 to 7 degrees further south. Further north, temperatures of around 1 or 2 degrees above freezing. And coming into Tuesday night, we'll see a bit of a break, somewhat. There'll still be some light snow for parts of Scotland and the northeast of England, but further north into the north of Scotland, it'll be clearing up a bit with partly cloudy skies and some sleet showers in parts of Northern Ireland and perhaps some parts of central England as well, in the Midlands, where temperatures will fall quite low, -1, -2 in some areas of England, and perhaps as low as -8 in the Scottish Highlands, and that would be 18 Fahrenheit. Wednesday night will be another cold one, and it will remain fairly cold on Thursday, but there will be less in the way of precipitation. More on the website, force13.com.